I'll guide you through instantly securing your Instagram account by remotely logging out of any device, even a lost phone, without needing to change your password first. If you're ready, click the like button and let's get started. To log out of your current device, open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the right corner to access the main profile view. Tap the three lines menu icon in the top right corner to open the main settings menu. Scroll to the bottom and select Logout to end the session on your current device as soon as you can. To remotely log out of any other device that's not currently with you, tap the three lines menu again. At the very top, select Account Center to open the unified Meta Security portal. Under Security Checks, tap Where you're logged in to review all active sessions. Select the particular Instagram account from the list. Review the entire list of devices and locations where the account is logged into. At the bottom, tap Select Devices to log out. Select All Unrecognized Sessions, then tap Log Out and confirm. If you use the remote logout feature because you saw an unknown device, you must change your password immediately. To learn the step-by-step way to reset your Instagram password, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Instagram video tutorials and check the description below for advanced online security. Thanks for watching.